Today we're going to be cooking paella on the grill, on my Primo Ceramic Grill, and we're going to be doing our intro to a little Texas wine fest. Hey, here's our wines. We're not going to drink them all tonight, there's only two of us, but we have a variety from several different vineyards. We have actually a piquette, which is kind of fun. We'll talk a little bit more about that. That's from Kerrville Hills Winery. We have Texas Heritage Vineyard in the Hill Country, the Lizzie Rosé. It's a rosé of Malbec. We have Fall Creek Vineyards Grenache Rosé, also Texas Hill Country. And finally, Wedding Oak Winery Castanet Rosé. I have a 12-inch paella pan here. Would be good for serving 4 people. There were Next step is to add the onions, red peppers, and garlic. And now we're going to add the rice. This is 1 cup of rice, which is about right for a 12-inch paella pan. As I said, 4 servings. Going to add some cherry tomatoes early in the cook, and it's time to put in the liquid. And the deal with paella, different from risotto, is that we'll stir it a little bit now, and then after that, then we're not going to stir anymore. Our paella is bubbling away. We're about 15 minutes in from start, and you can see the rice is absorbing a fair amount of the liquid. Now we're going to start placing our little neck clams. Okay, we're going to get them started. Here. Oh yeah. Boy, that's moved along a lot. Let's go ahead and add the shrimp. Getting quite full here. Let's add our final ingredients. Everything's looking great. Let's see, I've got peas. This is a classic thing to add. Julie loves peas. Thought it would be fun to add some tomatoes late in the process here, also for color. Red pepper. We had put red pepper in the very beginning, so it's cooked in from the beginning. And then Julie also loves black olives. I thought it would be fun. The mark of a good paella is that it gets cooked enough on the bottom that there's a little bit of a crust. And I did achieve it on one side. It's the back side is a little bit higher, and so there's a little bit more liquid here. I just rotated the pan to try to develop that everywhere because I've got at least a little bit of the really good stuff here in front. The whole time we've been running around 400, 450, mostly 450 at a dome temperature in the Primo. The nice thing with the ceramic grill is it holds the moisture in. Hopefully you can see it's not soggy on the bottom. And if we're looking along the edges, you'll see places where you can see it's pretty well cooked. It looks pretty good.